back car park where the big majority of the GTRs are. A very nice bluey colour wrap on this GTR at the back. A Ferrari red GTR. A wide body kit carbon fibre GTR with the 5-star GTA wanted level. It won't focus very well because it is on tinted glass. If you come around the front of the car is fully carbon fibre. And also around the back, it's got jet fighter style exhaust tips. And then we've got the Godzilla GTR, which is a nice combination of the GTR logo, the Japanese flag, as well as Godzilla here on the back. Seen quite a few videos of this car in London, and so it's nice to see it here at Caffeine and Machine. Over here we've got another GTR, very nice wheels with the spoiler delete. As we come around the front, we've got Size GTR. Those of you who've watched the channel for quite some time will recognise this car, and since last time we actually saw it, it's put on air ride suspension, so it's proper low to the ground, has a very mean stance to it. A couple more GTRs here. We've got an S-Class, a 720S. Over there we've got the S63 and the Bentley Continental, and we have a Wild Bethany here. Yeah, a very nice collection of GTRs here. We've got Size GTR as well as some carbon fibre ones down the bottom. Some very nice colours over there, and I love the Godzilla wrap on the GTR just in the middle there. Next time.